Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use Kobo Collect for efficient data entry. This powerful, free, and open-source mobile application simplifies gathering information in the field, even without an internet connection. It allows you to collect various data types, from text and numbers to photos and GPS coordinates. Kobo Collect is an invaluable tool for surveys, research, and project monitoring, helping you streamline your data collection efforts and ensure accuracy. We'll cover everything you need to get started and become proficient. To begin, you'll first need to download the Kobo Collect application onto your mobile device from its respective app store. Once installed, the next crucial step is to configure the server settings within the app. This links your device to your Kobo Toolbox account, allowing you to access your projects. After successful configuration, you can then download the specific data collection forms that you'll be using directly onto your device, preparing it for fieldwork. Once your forms are downloaded, you're ready to start collecting data. Simply open a blank form from the main menu to begin a new entry. You'll navigate through the questions, carefully inputting the required information. Kobo Collect supports diverse input types, from simple text and numbers to capturing photos, audio, or even GPS locations. Remember to save your form regularly as you progress, especially for longer surveys, to ensure that all your valuable data is securely stored on your device. After completing your data entry, the final step is to submit your forms to the server. This requires an internet connection, so ensure you're connected before attempting to send. You can also review and edit any saved forms before their final submission, making corrections as necessary. It's important to understand the different statuses of your forms, such as saved, finalized, and submitted. Regularly synchronizing your data ensures that all the valuable information you've collected is safely and securely uploaded to your Kobo Toolbox account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.